That was so.
Yeah, gangster, yeah, pace, nigga. So, yo, fam, I'm very bored right now, and I want to take a walk. Yeah, I'm not taking a walk. I want to take a stroll with some of my guys. Make the stroll very interesting. The first person that can recognize me, or first person that can know me, yeah, is it know me? Yeah, recognize me. We win a sum of 8,000 naira. That's a very big money right now. Just point the camera back to me. So let's go, guys. But I'll not be starting immediately because some people will stay outside. Some people will stand outside. So after 5 minutes, I will start shooting the video. So the the first person to recognize me, just or to call my name, yeah, that is not my friend. We win 1,000 naira. Let's see how it goes. I pray I don't lose my money. So guys, I've started recording right now. Which one be Alpha? Relax, oh. Which one be expert? Which one be we dey go together, Goni. So guys, they will think that this is the celebrity. This guy, Joy, move now. Guys, right now I'm so happy. There's nobody on the road. There's nobody on the road. The only thing I can see on the road is dog and goat.
To make the video short, I'll have to increase the video playback speed.
I swear, I don't. Okay. If like no relax. Yeah, wait, you show for my video. Want to beg me, guys? I can't take this anymore. You are just a fool. You're a fucking fool, man. Guys, I've been trying to look for someone for over 2 hours right now. See, guys, this is my bodyguard. This is my one. This is my second bodyguard. Bodyguard 2, say hi to the camera. But I never see anybody who know me. What? Okay. There's nobody that knows me now. People are coming in the front, but I don't think they know me. Yeah, may I just go jam a full. You know, go call expert. Yeah, I'm gonna shoot video of 50k. You know those kind of things. Okay. As a funny thing is that all the people for here, nobody go know me there. Just the look. I go see by all the selfie stick. Guys, at today 4 junction. I'll be reaching at 4 junction. T junction. This is not T junction. This is actually cross. This cross junction. Because you don't know anything. You just. And right now we are going straight. Guys, I'm sorry. Yeah. But the fact,
Baba, you just come with my
yes.
Some people sabi you. They know if talk say Experttommy.
Why do you think? Okay. You know about this. If they feel recognize me, like if someone know me, wait this. Oh yeah, maybe they just call me. Even if it's not Experttommy.
If me I sabi you, I see you for outside. You think say I go call you?
Why you no go call me?
Why would I call you?
You know we want
you are the one that I meant to be starstruck now.
You know we want
you supposed to starstruck. You supposed to call me. When I go to call you?
Why I go call you? That waiting.
As for boss where I be.
Like you dey smoke, you go. you dey smoke, guys, and that T junction. More they go school area like that. So hi guys. This 20 minutes now, and there's nobody that knows me. That's very bad. But wait, if let's assume like all these popular celebrities, if they are walking on the streets, will people call them?
You are not popular celebrity.
I tell you, say I be popular celeb. Imagine you are celeb shaming
Why
me.
you no go call the person?
Why you if you see whiskey on the road like this, you call whiskey?
Me, I know if you call am, but
But hey,
you go talk say, "Oh, the but you won't talk." It's so hilarious.
guys, this guy is a fool. He's one. I'm so pained right now. But I actually know that nobody can come. Which mountain is that?
And now for suicide.
You look what you mountain. Calm down now. Relax now. This guy like this, you think say we win the money, have it. Yeah, Baba, you don't sure already.
David, call your people out.
No call anybody.
David, call your people out. I beg. No, we end this video. Me, energy more.
We are straight out. We go to the mountain. Amen. Like it makes sense that nobody see me, sha. Yeah. Say you dey craze. Now your space. Guys, today there's nobody outside. That's why. I'm actually popular. There's nobody outside. That's why you can see. Yo, I'm kidding. I'm not giving anybody 1,000 naira. Oh, 4K. Some of videos fucking 4K, man. Guys, we are in the forbidden forest of Ikuro land. What is it? No, I'll do transfer.
The same camera you use booking.
Oh, you do transfer for me.
Shall I do it?
Say you do it. You go share off. I'll collect the person account number. I'm gonna do it at home. I say now snap as we used to do this video before. I don't know DDT. You be fool. You know, say,
No, they go. That's it, man.
he's not going to call me.
No, they go.
Oh, guys. You see, he's not going to call me.
Tell me about Jala.
My Oga. Shit. Alpha come.
No, we click on 1 minute. I beg no vex.
Come. We are doing the challenge.
Now you go call him.
No worry. I do you 1K like that.
You want to 1K?
Send down.
Oh yeah. Calm down now. My PA write the number now.
Where's the money like
the money. How I go end video? Guys, I eventually saw someone that recognized me, and I'm going to be sending his money when I get home. I'm going to send it when I get home. Because of you guys, I'm going to do a screen record. But I'll make sure that I blow my account, but I'll make them not see my 18 naira we go me. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and so maybe you can win your 1K and that dish, and share to everything. Do everything you can do. Engage the video. Peace out, fam.
I will come with me.
You too, got this.